Today we will be making an origami balloon, and you can blow it up, and it also is portable, so you can flatten it like that, and you can blow it up. I am using a gold sheet of paper, and it has to be square because rectangular wouldn't work. I am using not double-sided, one colored and one blank. It is a 6 by 6 inch square, and you can use any color or any size of a square sheet of paper. No rectangles, or else it wouldn't work. So we will be starting on the back, the blank side. You fold it in half, like that, and then fold it in half again, this way. Once you have this, fold it diagonally, like that, so that everything is right there. This is the confusing part. You will have to open this one, not that, and not any of the ones underneath. So lift this, get this out, like that, then move that. You see that? I'll show you again. Right there. And then you flatten it like that. And you do it same way over here, but a little different. So let me show you again. Get this, lift that, push down right there, and then flatten. So once you've got that, we'll be going over here again. Get one, leave that down, and fold this up to the top of the triangle. And do the same to the other side. Still keep that down, like that. And turn it to the other side, do the same thing. Right there, and right there. Now you will have to go like that, still keeping that there, and right here. Same thing on the other side. And then get to the side where these are still there, and you will see there's a little opening in here. This is also another confusing part. There's a little opening right there. You just slide that in, put it as deep as you can in there. Same thing with all the other ones. Remember not to put it underneath. Don't put it like that. Put it inside the flap. As you'll see, you can go like that. You can do that and it'll open it up a little bit. So you can just shove it in there. Once you finish that, that's the end of the balloon base. You will have this like that. And then there will be a little hole right here. The other side won't have a hole, but there will be a hole over here. Just blow through it and it'll blow up. And now you have a balloon.